scenic, serene, and serenaded by blue skies and blue waters. This little village in Western India is typically what most villages in this belt look like. Camouflaged by soft surroundings are these hard-working tribes. Fields, fishing, brick kilns, and manual labor provide them their livelihoods. They are happy in their lives until they are not.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
They are unaware of what affects them. So are their healthcare professionals. If only the HCP had known that she is highly anemic, he would have known what to do. But there exist no health records. Not even the basic. Their records are as empty as their houses. No one maintains even the basic record of their health that can be used at primary care. Their fear of going to clinics is because examination and diagnostic tests cost more than their earnings. Local medicine or local medicine men it is then. People land up in emergencies because simple information about their anemia or diabetes or hypertension is not recorded and not handy. Keshav Srushti, an NGO with a health agenda, has been implementing its Gram Swasthya Yojana. Keshav Srushti's Swastha Dampatya collect health information from individual households. Their challenge is families don't keep them and painstakingly collected records are lost. Digitization was needed. Brandcare created a simple digitized version by creating the Keshav Srushti Gram Swasthya Yojana software that captures every family's history into a unique QR code. The program can run even in cases of connectivity problems. Once generated, the QR code is printed and sits firmly, well protected in a locket, designed with local tribal art sensibilities. The family head or spouse wears it with pride. The primary care physician finds it simple to use. Basic medical history is now quickly available. This medical visit just saved Asha a few thousands in blood tests. Dr. Suresh knows that her fainting spells can be because of her low iron. Asha's confidence in medical care has gone up. Swasthya Locket was inaugurated in this village by the village head. The Keshav Srushti head spoke about its importance.
ग्राम स्वास्थ्य हा प्रोजेक्ट त्याचं काम दाम्पत्यांच्या थ्रू चांगल्या प्रकारे चालू आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये स्वास्थ्य लॉकेट आणि डिजिटलायझेशन ऑफ दी परिवार कार्ड हे काम सुरू केलेलं आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे नक्कीच खूप चांगला फायदा होणार आहे. आणि ह्या कामामध्ये आम्हाला ब्रँड केअर या कंपनीचं खूप मोठं कोऑपरेशन होते, त्याबद्दल त्यांचे धन्यवाद.
आपल्याकडे अत्याधुनिक लॉकेटचं पदार्पण होत आहे. आपण जो विचार केला आहे तो विचार आणि त्यांची जी संकल्पना आहे ती संकल्पना खरोखरच अतुलनीय आहे.
The health locket blends with their lives, their surroundings, their culture, but stands out as a unique initiative to keep health records handy. Call it an ornament, a record, a QR code, or simply an idea that can change lives.